They have steak.
Oh, yun.
Para makita nyo din po yung recommendation.
May steak pala sa kanila, beef. Buti sinabi mo.
Sige po. So, dito po sa mains, I have a black truffle sushi rice risotto. This is our top seller. This is our top number 1. So, this is a sushi rice with a parmesan mousse. It's a creamy risotto. So, it's a different risotto from European because we are Asian. So, it should be more different than Europe. Yeah? So, if kukunin niyo po to, good for 4-person po to, okay? This is my top push. And good for sharing. And for the ribeye po, for the steak, I have ribeye, 450 grams, a little bit fatty, mixed with the meat. So, okay po siya to share with maximum 3-person. Pero hindi naman siguro lahat nag-beef. In case lang po kung gano'n kayo kalakas kumain ng beef, pwede po siyang meal 4.
Pwede kami kumuha isa niya sa hati-hati kami.
Yes po.
Para matikman natin.
Tapos, di ba, may, yung recommendation ko, may risotto. It's either risotto or ribeye or short ribs. I have short ribs din po. All the way from our head chef Korean. So, it's really, really a good beef to start as well for the mains. This is, it will melt in your mouth together with a side of artichoke and baby carrots.
Is it gonna melt in my tummy too?
I think yes. You will not feel the fat because it's really, really, really tasty and delicious. So for the sides, I can recommend a baby broccolini, a little bit good for a healthy lifestyle, and a sweet potato or a mashed potato. So it's up to you if rib eye or short ribs, but for me, go for short ribs.
Short ribs.
Yes. Ribeye is good. Ribeye is still good, but I want you to taste our short ribs because that is really, really different short ribs from other. Ribeye, you can eat it everywhere, but it's different how we cook and the sauces, yeah?
The short ribs also can share for 4-person?
Yes.
Yeah, they have a big
3 to 4-person.
Yes.
Isang short rib.
1 rib eye and 1 short rib.
Alright, keep going. So we get that.
Ribeye, short ribs. Would you like the risotto? Please don't skip it.
Okay, if you recommend it.
Yeah, I recommend
Kasi
that
for
one.
me, personally, I'm not fond of risotto,
But just try it.
Try this
So you will recognize Ilabi has the best risotto in town.
Oh, I'll take that one too.
So,
Take your word.
One risotto.
Mas
one-
masarap pa yan kaysa kay ano?
Kanino po?
Mr. Chef?
Yes. Kung nakita niyo yung Mr. Chef namin before, makikita niyo na mas masarap pala yung chef namin kaysa sa food niya. Correct.
Mas
So,
masarap pala yung chef.
Yung
Pwede ba
chef
yung
kaysa
chef
sa
na lang?
food niya.
Okay, next.
So, yun po yung ma-recommend ko. You're having baby broccoli or sweet potato or mashed potato. Good for pairing with your ribeye.
Hindi mahilig sa gulay itong mga to. So.
Broccoli I like.
So,
Oh, you like? Okay, broccoli.
So, 1 risotto, 1 short ribs,
Okay.
and ribeye.
Ano kuya? Short ribs or
Hindi,
rib eye?
iba namang
Okay.
ibang meat naman or fish.
Do you have some fish? I
What
have
did the
here.
sibas?
You like fish?
Yes.
Not really. Okay, what's that? How about chicken?
Chicken.
I have a baby artichoke chicken here. So it's a dressing for the honey mustard together with the sides of haricot first. Would you like to try it? This will take a
Mag-fish
charcoal.
na. Meron naman ano kuya, may short ribs naman.
Magsibas ka na kasi I know you love your food.
So
Okay.
you go for sea bass.
Yeah.
Short ribs, risotto, sea bass, and for the sides,
And I'll take the rice.
steam rice. Hindi talaga mawawala yung steam rice.
Yes.
Sa kanila din.
Steam rice.
rice.
Would you like a wagyu beef fried rice?
No, I'm okay with
I'm
the
okay with the
original.
steam
No,
rice.
I'll take that one.
So 1 wagyu, 2 steam rice. Yeah.
Anong pinagkaiba ng wagyu?
Wagyu, ano po siya, fried rice siya with slices of wagyu and a little bit of vegetable.
I think I will go for that.
It looks like a chow fan. Are you familiar?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So
I will
1
try for
steam
that.
rice, 2 wagyu.
Yeah. You want 2 steam rice and 2
Steam rice
wagyu?
and two.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 steam rice and 2 wagyu.
1 steam rice, 2 wagyu beef fried rice.
Yeah.
Tatlo lang naman yung magre-rice po, di ba? Good for sharing naman din yung
Okay,
rice.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, how do you prefer to cook your ribeye? I know
Well done,
ribeye,
well
right?
done.
Short ribs, no. Short ribs, Chilean sea bass, and risotto.
Yeah, no ribeye.
Gising ka na?
Oh baby, kunin na namin yung ribeye.
Yeah, I'll take the ribeye.
So, 4 na mains. Isang
Apat na main,
risotto.
that's it.
Okay, good.
Well done.
How do you prefer to cook for your ribeye? Well done.
Si
It's
Kuya ba
too
kayo?
chewy. Maybe medium well.
Medium well.
That's the recommendation.
Not well done.
Not so,
Yeah.
It's not bloody?
matigas. It's not so bloody.
Not
but
bloody.
It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
bloody,
I don't like
but
bloody.
it's the recommendation in everywhere for
Okay.
medium well. Or
Okay,
medium
okay.
rare.
How about medium? Still chewy yung medium?
It's a little bit bloody for me. Kasi nakikita
So
ko siya
medium well.
Medium well, it's
Medium
the
well.
average.
Okay, medium
Okay,
well.
sure.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dende. Dende, tata, oh. Makagising ka na.
Oh. Then look like.
Si Tito. Oh.
Then look.
Alam ko, ang dami oh, lights. Lights oh, dinner, no? Lights oh,
Saan
lights.
ko pa kapampangan din?
Ay, Kapampangan ka! No, Tagano ka rin.
Tarlac.
Ayun na, hindi ko
San Fernando.
Ano, lights
Na
oh,
naging-
God.
Andy.
Alvin?
Andy.
Andy. Hi, Nandi. Asawa ko, si James.
Hello.
Pinsan ko, si Nikay sa si Dayan. Mary.
San Fernando.
Oo, San Fernando.
San Fernando.
Mag-enjoy kayo po.
Ay, salamat,
Salamat
Nandi.
po. Dindin. Tinan mo din, no?
Hindi San Fernando.
Gusto mo to, juice?
San Fernando.
San Fernando. Juice din, no? Juice, oh.
Masarap.
Para siyang beef steak.
Yeah. Para siyang ano, may reno na may siopaw.
Eh, ano yung ano? Yung, ito.
Para siyang siopaw niya.
Ano to?
Ano lang yung herbs lang yan.
Herbs.
Design lang yan. Piligan ako mas gusto niya.
Tatawag sino?
Okay lang. Masarap din to. It's coconut. Parang gata.
Ano bago?
Ano na to?
Gusto kumain ka na.
There's a fish.
No, it's shrimp.
Kain ka na kanina. Anong kinain mo? Hotdog. Yeah, it's nice.
I think this is one nice.
Ah, is pa.
Saka,
Let me taste that one.
yeah.
So, Ina got this. What do you call this one? I don't know.
Kain. Wow, madami ka nakain.
Love it. It's like a lavender something.
Madami ka
Yeah,
nakain.
Parang lavender niya.
Yan din nirecommend niya sa akin. Pero sabi niya, sabi niya pambabae.
Haba daw ng tulog
Taste
niya
mine.
eh.
This is pina colada, I know.
Different from piña colada.
Dip daw
It's
ito.
fresh, you know.
It's nice yun.
Pwede natin ito yung, kasi kung marami.
Yeah.
So,
This one is nice.
itong restaurant ito, because it's so famous, allowed lang dito
Ay,
na time is 2 hours. So, you can only spend 2 hours here, and after that, it's done. You have to eat.
Wala. Ang lapit ni Kuya sa camera.
Kita yung mga tagyawat ko, yung mga
Oh my
volcano.
God.
Yung mga volcano ko.
Oh my God.
Mga crater.
So, kailangan namin kumain ng 2
Dami
hours.
lights, tinan mo lights. Ayun yung lights.
Like any other fine dining ba yan?
Yeah. So nice here, so beautiful. Amazing. Thank you, Tata.
Thank you,
for bringing us
Kuya.
up here.
Dapat thank you in private, in public. But it's okay. You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you, Don Jane.
Don James.
Ang gablo, so.
Ang pogi.
Oh my God. Tama na.
Ang pogi, oh, bagay na bagay.
Tama na, hindi ako makakain yan. Sige na.
Oh my God.
Diba? Kain na.
Kain na.
Dinner.
Wow.
Appetizer.
Dinner at Dubai. Best dinner in town. Downtown.
Ito mo naman yung award,
Best
grabe.
view.
Tikman mo to, hindi kayo masarap to.
Tinikman ko na. Sarap. Para siyang ano, mani.
O, parang maning
Ramon eh.
nilaga.
The Burj Khalifa.
Cheers sa Silabing. Silabing.
Cheers kayo ni Kuya.
Okay, kuya mo parang meron kang ano.
Thank you.
So good, thank you.
That's
Ano? Siyem tempura?
Alin?
Try natin.
Jerry at the salad.
Oh, salad.
From
Ito, kapampangan siya si Andy. From Tarlac. From Baby. Oh, thank you, baby.
You're my baby.
makakuha kami ng free salad.